Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today we're gonna do Modern Strike Online. Now you may be asking, why are you playing Modern Strike Online if you got a mouse? I'm like, bro, you're lying to me, this is a computer. I installed a lot of things, and I have a random keyboard I installed just to like make it look more computery, since I don't have a computer, and I really want one. Playing stuff. The only one that complains about that, can we do lighting? I don't think we can. No, we can't. No lighting! But that's fun. We are just going to play Modern Strike Online, and we are going to love it. Due to, this being a mobile game, I can't use my keyboard and mouse. So yeah, I can't just go WSAD. So if you see really bad gameplay, complain both this and me. Okay? Oh my god, we're going cringy already. Oh god. Let's just try this. Let's just do this. And let's see how it goes. Okay, I won't be surprised if you're like, nope, and go to Mario Party's channel, like subscribe for attention, I don't know, any channel that you love. I'm not surprised if you do that, because, my channel sucks. Okay, I'm just gonna pause, and just wait until this is done. Okay, of course, his name is Quiet Diapers, God, man. Cool. Mine's full. Okay. Regular chest. Regular chest. Okay. What kind of? I have this, but like, is it weird that I want the FAMAS more than the gun I already have? Because it just looks better, but like, everything about it is like less powerful with the speed and stuff. The last time I had a FAMAS in another game. But this is one of the guns that I know, or like the guns that I really like, I look at it now. Because that's how I am. Oh, do I get... So if I got new armor, I'll move that. God, I just did. Yeah, Stormtrooper. I'm just go down here. Alright, let me move this. Because on my phone, like on my regular channel, I had 9 people. But on the close one, so it doesn't matter. Can I move this here? Move it here, please. Oh, that's worse. Okay, oh my god. So, I'm gonna wait until we get into, battle. So, we're back on there. Okay, guys, we're back, and we're currently finding a game. We're in a deathmatch. One of the things I'm terrible at. Because, yeah, terrible at the game. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. I don't know where to ready for some... It's so loud! I was going to lag. It's lagging so bad. Oh, is it lagging? Like I said,
reloading. Reloading.
this game, like, it's cheesiest because we need to. Like I said, that is very cheesiest, very low graphics. What is going on? Throw a grenade and fight. No, fight. I am suffering. Oh my gosh, someone behind me. I got a kill! Yes! Dead. Is he so dead. Oh, that sucks too. I really want to resort to camping. Not bad. Is it this? Oh god! Hey, at least I redeemed I don't remember where I got it. I'm giving it to you. 8 terrible minutes of this. It's terrible. Because it is.
Reloading.
It's not terrible, thank you.
Our team lose.
Anyways, we got upgrade chest. Oh, yay. So you guys, we're gonna do a next match pretty soon. We got that money! Got that money! Okay, stop. I'm cringy, so I'm gonna stop this. Oh, we rented it! Oh, yes. I'm gonna extend it all the way. That's not long. Oh my god. I love this gun. This gun is glorious. This gun is white. I'm just gonna stick with Uzi. Good at Uzi jewelry. Oh, that was close. I don't really like repairing systems and things. Like, I want my action. I don't want to, like, have a gun and then just, like, I have a favorite gun and then it breaks on me, I'm like, you suck. Jacksepticeye reference. If you didn't know, probably did because you're watching more than me. I understand that. Okay, is this my first video? I can't remember. This is my first video. Terrible commentary. So, I'm gonna end this terrible video here. If you enjoyed my episode, please leave a like and consider subscribing and comment down below if I should make more shit on my games, or if I should see other games. I don't know. You pick. Wait, I'll see you guys. Wait, I think